20,000, I done made a mess. All the feds taking pictures, so I pose.
What's up, guys? My name is Jayypinkk and welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with a new video. I want to first say hello to all my new subscribers and thank you for those who have stuck around. We're finally back with a video and it's about my dreadlocks. I am going to be talking about detoxing my dreadlocks and basically moisturizing them. Like right here, you can kind of see they look, well, to me they look gray. And then in the next clip, I kind of try to show you where I feel like the grayness ends. So you'll need a pot or a bowl of water. I'm using hot water, as hot as I can stand it. You'll also need some apple cider vinegar. Mine has the mother in it. You'll need some baking soda. Any kind will work. You'll also need a towel and you'll need a shirt. I still use a shirt for my hair just because it cuts down on the frizz. My dreads are very, very frizzy. Not that I necessarily mind it that much. So in the bowl of hot water, you are going to pour, I want to say about a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar or a little bit more. I didn't do half and half. I actually don't know how much I'm supposed to put in here. I don't think any of the videos that I watch told me how much you put in there. So I really just put enough for I think I'm doing the job. Now the baking soda is the cool part. Watch this. You see that little combination that just happened, that chemical reaction? So that's what's gonna pump everything out of our dreadlocks. And I'm really a beach baby and a glittery girl, so it's a lot of sand and glitter in my dreads. So this just makes me feel like I'm doing a deep cleanse on my dreads every now and then. I think I've only done this twice, once every 6 months. So basically you are really just going to take half or your whole head and you are going to dip it in this water. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate it in the water. I'm going to squeeze and then dip it back. Basically squeezing the water in and out of the hair is what kind of pumps everything out. I start off with just half my head, but then at some point I kind of catch my senses because I know really in real life I never do my hair like this. So you'll see me take the ponytail holder out and just put my whole head in the water basically, but that's really all you're doing. You want to use something deep enough you can put your head in. This is all I had. I do think the water should be hot as well. I am just doing it as hot as I can stand it. You probably could just do warm, but you were literally just going to do this. You're just squeezing the water out of the locks and then allowing the locks to refill with the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda combination. And squeezing it in and out is just activating them both so that everything does get out. After this, I still did wash my hair because this is really just for your locks, but I use a gentle shampoo and I really only focus it on my locks. Like I put my hair in 3 sections and only shampoo my scalp. Now you'll see in the next clips that the hair is that the water is gonna turn murky. And this is just all the products that are in my hair. You'll actually see that it's hard to see my hand underneath the water. You really don't need to put your hand in here. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how much stuff came out of my dreadlocks and how this works. And then in this clip, I kind of poured out the water so you can see what exactly is in my hair. There was actually a lot of sand in my hair this first time around. I do this about 2 to 3 times. I just didn't record them. You really want to do this until the water is mostly clear. And then at the end, you'll see the sand and the glitter. So now that we have freshly cleaned locks, and I really feel like my locks already look better. I shampooed them. They're just air dry, slightly damp. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to start with some rose water just to hydrate my locks and hydrate myself. I learned from another lock stylist that rose water is probably the best for our hair because it has so many benefits to it. I'll leave some of those benefits down below. And then I'm going to go in with an oil. This helps with the frizziness and it smells so good. I don't have a whole lot left. I'm actually probably not going to use this again once this is over. It's not black owned and that's what I'm trying to do. And you really just want to squeeze and massage the products through the lock. This is how I get my products into my locks. I try to focus mostly on the shaft and the tips of the hair because those are the oldest, but I really put the oil and rose water everywhere. Products go everywhere on the hair, but I just focus on the shaft and the tips. And I make sure I get this on my edges, the sides, and the back of my hair. Next, I'm going to take my whipped shea butter, and this one is unscented. This one I use for my hair and face, and I really just melt it into my hands, and then I do the same thing as I did with the oil. I want to squeeze it into my locks, focusing on the shaft of the hair. And I'm going to be honest, guys, it's really important that you blend or like massage this into your hands first, because you see that yellow piece in my hair right there? That's what happens when you don't melt it before you put it in your hair. It'll eventually melt just from the heat of you, but you walk around looking crazy. I'm gonna do the same thing, squeeze it in my locks, rub it across all my edges, the entire perimeter of my hair, focusing on the shaft. I'm gonna take some good old Sulfur 8. I have dry skin. I had eczema as a little girl, but I take very good care of my skin now. So I'm going to line the whole perimeter of my scalp, and then I'm gonna split it down the middle, and I'm basically gonna do 4 large sections, and I'm gonna load on the Sulfur 8. Now I'm doing this because ain't no way I'm about to grease every dreadlock on my head. There's just no way. But when you do it like this and you apply a healthy amount, kind of massage it into that area, the heat from your scalp actually melts the grease. Also, at the end of this, I'm gonna massage my entire scalp, and that's what the heat from your scalp, your fingers, is gonna just make that grease melt all over your scalp. It's gonna be wonderful. Just watch. And then I'm gonna take the pads of my fingers, and I'm just going to massage my scalp everywhere. And this is how we spread out the Sulfur 8 and we moisturize our scalp. And then this thing, my cousin gave this to me, and I tried to get rid of it several times, but it kept coming back. And now I'm extremely thankful for it. So basically, you just take the ends of it and you massage your scalp. And this is not one of the cheap ones that's like tagging on your hair. Look how good. I'm so happy because it feels so good. This is really smooth. It doesn't pull on my dreads, doesn't create issues for my dreads. I love it. But I do this for probably as long as I can stand it, and this just creates blood flow and circulation, which just promotes a lot of healthy hair. So at this point, I'm pretty much done. This is how I keep my locks nice and juicy and moisturized. I honestly have been so happy with my locks. I recently actually made 2 years, locked up in July. I'm so excited. I love them. I've been enjoying watching them grow. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment under this video, and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.